Hey everyone! In this video, I would like to demonstrate how you could use Panther to effectively analyze your data using a feature within Panther called Indicator Search. Consider this. Every morning, I attempt to stay on top of security news. One website I frequent is GrayNoise, since they capture data on IPs that scan the internet and categorize them by malicious, benign, or unknown intent. If I navigate over to my second tab, you'll see that I have GrayNoise opened. From here, I can click Trends, and see that today there are a number of trending tags that have malicious intent. Let's click into this WordPress core user enumeration attempt. GrayNoise provides me with an overview of what's going on, as well as an opportunity to download the IP address list associated with this type of intent or attempt. And what if I wanted to search my environment for this malicious intent? Well, since I already grabbed that IP address list, let me copy that to my clipboard. And I'll navigate back over to the Panther tab and click on Indicator Search here. From here, I can paste in that IP address list that I grabbed from GrayNoise. I can choose a date range. I'm going to search the last 24 hours of my environment, but I could go as far back as a year or even more. And I'll click Search. Now, Indicator Search allows me to quickly search all log events flowing through Panther for common indicators. You can see a list of indicators that Panther will automatically detect in this field dropdown here. Things like AWS ARNs, tags, domain names, email addresses, so on and so forth. And additionally, as part of configuring your log ingestion, you can define within the schemas which field types should belong to an indicator. So you can search that data just like we have down here. Now, we can see that Panther has searched around 76 gigabytes of data in roughly 20 seconds. And so we do in fact have some hits within this environment from that attempt we found from within GrayNoise. Now, from here, I could drill down into our AWS application load balancer logs or our AWS VPC flow logs to see what's going on. But we'll cover that case within Data Explorer in another video. And I hope that this was a valuable demonstration outlining how you may discover activity occurring within your environment in just a few minutes. Thanks.